it's Big Jeff coming to you once again, and we're actually doing a second video to this. It's about our affiliate program, and the reason why we're doing Big Jeff from Big Jeff Online. I started all this out of the trunk of my car in Miami, Florida, selling security cameras and other things, and it grew into car audio, which has always been my passion. Always been my passion. Bigger and bigger and bigger. And the reason why we're doing a second video is we went with a different app and different program, and the reason why is this one has way more control. Besides setting up a link, you also can do a coupon code, so if your platform is Instagram or somewhere, you can't leave a link. So what you're going to see when you go to bigjeffaudio.com, and I'm looking up here, so you get to our website, there is across the top you'll see one that says affiliate program. You're going to click on that, and then here you get a page, and it's real simple. And the cool thing too is that you all get like a actual dashboard, which we're going to get into next. But anyway, you're going to click the join now. Alright, and then here's the another cool thing. I keep saying that, but this app is so way over top. You can do it by email, or you can do it through your Google Gmail and or Facebook. So you would pick your option, and it's going to send you a welcome email. You got to click it to basically say that's your email, and then you're going to get to log in to your dashboard like he's doing right now. Okay, so now scroll down. There's your dashboard. If you notice across the top, you have some marketing tools. So we're going to try to supply you as many advertisements as we can, logos. Basically, so all you got to do is either download and upload or copy and paste. And then you can go ahead and make referral links. And then also you could set up a coupon code. The coupon code would be for the places you can't put a link. And if they use a coupon code, then it registers with the cookies that it's one of your affiliates. So the other cool thing is you could do some direct sharing from it. Okay, so let's go up top where it says marketing tools. Okay, and then go to the next one, pages. Perfect. So go ahead and click create a new page. And then let's just give it a page title. It doesn't matter. Big Jeff. And then let's just put yep, something in the description there. Okay, and then save the page. Perfect. So let's preview the page. Okay, so you can basically build your own page if you want there, and you can make as many as you want. Go to the payment section. There's your summary, so you can keep track. And then settings is where you will go ahead and fill out your information, whatever you want your referral code to be. You can set up payment settings so automatically it'll pay you. This is really cool. But let me get to the point where people, I think, have a misconception. Just because you sign up doesn't mean you're going to start making money. You need to take your link and or your coupon code and not just throw it up on your page that everybody sees all the time, but any kind of groups you're in, forums, places like that. And then those customers then would use that coupon code or that link to come to the Big Jeff Audio website to purchase product, and then you from there would get a commission. We do have it set right now. Any Rockford or Kicker will get you 10%, where any other product of 5%. We're going to make some other changes there. And then what we do here, you're going to get emails from us keeping you updated on sales or any kind of promotions, and you can use those anywhere. So let's just say you're in a YouTube chat or a channel and everybody's talking about a particular thing. You can go ahead and put your code in there and say, hey, buy from Big Jeff Audio, Great guys, fast shipping, whatever. Click here. And anybody that clicks there, we have it set for 14 days on the cookies, which means even if they click there and don't shop right away, it's going to stay on their computer 14 days unless they have it set to clear their cache of cookies all the time. Most people don't. But that's how it works. But keep in mind, one post up there, one link is not going to make it. If you really want to make some money and start making a decent commission paycheck each month, you got to do a little bit of work. Your groups, forums, anywhere you're talking, chatting, or social media in, you want to put that there along with your coupon code or just the link and get customers to come through there to Big Jeff Audio, and then it will track all your progress. So that is our new affiliate program, which gives you a dashboard, it gives you a place to build your own pages, and we will start supplying you with all the artwork and promotions to make it easy. But I don't have access to all your accounts or places you go or things you do. That's going to be your job. That's what you're getting paid for. So I love to make it work. I hope it works for y'all so we can both make some money. We can spread the Big Jeff Audio name, and this is the way to do it. I'm Big Jeff, signing off, talking about the affiliate program. Catch you next time.